Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here to share with you a gift that was given to me by my husband. And this is something that I have been without for about 1 year since my last sewing machine died. So I have a new one. It is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. So it's very exciting that I'm finally getting a new machine. And it is a really nice one. So this one will do your average sewing. It will also do embroidery. It will quilt as well, which is what I like to do. I do like to quilt, and you know, I like to make things for the home, and I'll alter my own clothes too. Woo! I am so excited. Here's kind of what the machine looks like. The Singer Quantum 9960. Now this machine, depending on, you know, the bundle, but this came with an extension table. So this slides onto your machine. Your machine would come right into here, and you have a nice extension table with a ruler on it. What's under here? Here are the little legs that flip out. So that was a nice addition. I'm glad that we caught it where it did have it, because you can get this machine without the extension table, and that'll run you a little bit cheaper. So we have our accessories. It looks like there's all the different sewing feet in there. I've got 4 sets of sewing feet. My first machine I ever owned, my second machine I ever owned, and then a foot kit that I bought. So I'm good on feet. And then here is a pedal. Just your standard foot pedal for a sewing machine. Okay. Oh, and here's a walking foot. See, a walking foot is a contraption that you put on your sewing machine instead of the regular foot, and this has feed dogs in it. So what that is you know, on the bottom of the machine, and you see these 2 things doing this next to your needle? Well, that's feeding the cloth through the machine. Now, when you've got a few layers of fabric together, it kind of gets hard to push that through. So what this does is this has those feed dogs on the top. So now you've got feed dogs on the bottom and the top pulling the fabric through. So that's what that is. This comes in very handy when you're doing quilting. Power cord. So we're getting into it. It's beautiful. Okay. Let's see how I can grab this. All right. Oh, that's the cover. Okay. It comes with a cover, which is absolutely fantastic. What's this portion? Oh, this is where you can store your extra feet, any parts that you have. You can put your power cord in here for when you travel. I'm so glad it comes with a cover. Ooh, this is so exciting. Just gonna put that down over here. And now the machine. It's heavy. It's definitely heavy. There's nothing else in there. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? It has a fully digital programming system where you can choose the simplest of stitches to fancy dancy embroidery stitches. So, again, we have this is left placement, center placement. Then we have zigzag stitches and other stitches that are used often, so they put those there. But you have a system here where you can choose the types of stitches and other functions, and it all reads out right here. We have a thread cutter, backwards and forwards, start, stop. Oh, we have a ruler down here. Let me see. See, this piece comes out. This comes off so that you can do sleeves. So, see, now it's narrow and you can do sleeves. And you can leave that part off. And this is where you put, let me tilt you down a little bit. This is a heavy machine. Okay. So this is where this would go. You put the little legs down and it slides in place. Just like that. See, now you've got a really nice extension table. Isn't that nice for larger things? Now in here, I know there's a little storage compartment. And this is where you can keep your bobbins or extra needles, more feet, your little oil in there. You can keep that in there. What else do we have in here? This is for buttonholes. Oh, there's even a little slot where this goes. This goes right there. A little slot. Nice! And that's what that is. This is just so exciting. It's like, okay, what do I sew first? What do I want to sew first? Do I want to alter some clothes? Do I want to make a little dog bed? Do I want to resume the quilt that I've been working on? Well, haven't been working on for a year because I don't have a machine. Oh, I have a machine now. I am so happy. If you are interested in a sewing machine like this, it's going to be more than your brother models and things that you can get in some stores. This you actually can get at Walmart if they have them in stock. This one was $450, and it is a wonderful, wonderful machine. I cannot wait to use it. And I'm so glad that you came by to share this with me. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.